Hey guys, what it is, what it do. This is your girl Vana Supernova. If this is your first time joining me here today, I welcome you, and for those who are coming back, welcome back, y'all. Okay, so you guys, this is gonna be a quick video. I want to give you guys a quick update on these lovely locks over here. And if you see a mess in the background, don't worry about it, okay? We're going through some things, all right? Mind your business now, mind your business.
My heart's in the sky, supernova.
All right, you guys, so I did my first wash with my Sisterlocks this past weekend, and we lost the soldier, y'all. We lost the soldier. Okay, so there's a little lock back here. It's back here. There's a little lock in the back of my head, which I did not know was a lock. I ain't know it was a lock, so I ain't never protected when I was taking a shower. I never did any of the stuff I was supposed to do. And then when I washed and braided and banded, it was a lone soldier by himself. And he drowned, okay? He did not make it. I tried to resuscitate him. I said I wasn't gonna do this. I tried to resuscitate him, and he was gone for the count. So we're gonna see what my loctician says about this whole ordeal. But she gave me warnings about this, but I didn't know all the way in the back, and he's out, y'all, like out. And I don't know if you guys are noticing, but your girl got some shrinkage as well. I mean, my hair was not this short last time you seen it, but I'm loving it. It looks like I did some kind of crinkly whatever. I did braid and band when I washed, but I took the braids out as soon as I got out the shower and the hair started, you know, drying a little bit. Oh, my ride is here. That's Mag. We're about to head to the movie. So come on, you guys. Let's go. I'll finish the story in the car. Okay, you guys. So we're actually on our way to the movie. So I'm gonna try and rush this a little bit. We're about to go see Us. Leave a comment in the, leave a comment down below if you're gonna go see the movie Us by Jordan Peele. Is the door open? I'm super excited, y'all. Okay. So now that I'm in a car that has dark seating, it doesn't really help because my hair is black and the seats are black. But your girl went ahead and got some shrinkage going, but I think it's kind of cute. I could tell it's not the braiding and banding that caused that, but the shrinkage, because it kind of follows the same shrinkage pattern as my regular hair when it was loose. So, but I think it's straight. It's cute. It's cute. I want to have this kind of stage. I want to go through all the stages with my locks, okay? All the stages. So I think it's gonna shrink a bit more. I don't think it's done because it also swells, like it goes through a swelling phase, and we're nowhere near that. We're still in the early phases, and this is just after one wash. After the second wash, I'm sure it'll shrink some more once it gets some more moisture in there. So I'm gonna keep monitoring it, and lone soldier back there is gone for the count. So until I see my loctician, it's just some a loose patch back here, okay? And she gonna have to just take a look at it and tell me how to fix it, so it doesn't happen again. Okay, you guys, so I just wanted to give you a quick update on exactly what happened to my hair after the first wash. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss a thing. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.